Cannizzaro reaction, a must-do topic for JEE and NEET exams right now. So let's have a quick discussion using this JEE Mains 2022 question. So here we have benzaldehyde treating with NaOD, okay, in D2O solvent. Okay, so what are the products formed here? We need to identify what exactly A here. So it is very easy. Look at here. So Cannizzaro reaction is shown by carbonyl compounds that does not contain any alpha hydrogens. It means this is the carbonyl group now. So to this that does not contain any alpha hydrogens. It means what? If there is any carbon, that will be considered as alpha carbon, and hydrogens on that carbon will be considered as alpha hydrogen. So that alpha hydrogen should not present on that particular given substrate. Then only Cannizzaro reaction takes place. Now look at here. So here we have phenyl group. It means there is no alpha hydrogen, and here the directly attached hydrogen. This is not alpha. Okay, so like this, if it is present, then only we can say alpha. Now, so these are the substrates. So now here we have Na plus OD minus right now. So OD is a good nucleophile. It will attack one of this molecule. Both are same only now. So now it will be converted into O minus right now. So we have a tetrahedral carbon here. That means, so what it is exactly pH, CO minus and H, and here OD. Right now this is what formed. So now again this O minus gives its electrons back. Therefore hydride ion comes out here and forms pH, CO, OD. So this will be the product formed here. Okay, and which is coming out, hydride ion is coming out now. So this hydride ion is again a nucleophile, act as a nucleophile and attacks at this electrophilic carbon site. See, we know this carbon is electrophilic, so partial positive charge. So on that hydride ion will attack, so and gives us a product of this kind. See, if hydride ion attacks on this carbon, so we will be having pH, CO minus, H and H. So we got a reduced product, something like this. Okay, so now this further, this is nothing but alkoxide ion now. So this alkoxide ion act as a base and abstract the acidic deuterium here. So therefore we will be having pH, COD, H and H. This is a we got, and remaining carboxylate ion is nothing but here we got right now. So what is our A here? So this is what our A. So look at the options. Where do we have that kind of option here? See, pH, OD, and the next H and H. So our suitable answer for this question will be option B. Hope it is clear. Stay connected with us. Thank you.